Who you mentioned was a former national athlete. CJ Lane inside, powers through for 2 points. CJ Lane, what a pass! Dexter.
And big men are gonna involve. There might be possibilities that we see both these two.
Now offers that screen. Panyamogan still with the basketball. Deep seal. CJ Lane. He's a good passer.
Sa taas niya, kita niya lahat kung saan yung mga open spots You love how he opens up. Again, ito yung mga situation.
Estudyante pa yata yung Coach Mike
sa bagay, tama ka naman. Oh, CJ Lane once again.
Apinan, the offensive rebound. Si Dexter Apinan, dami ng rebounds 12 points, 8.
And CJ sharing the floor time with him. He's actually given good. Oh no.
CJ. Up fake. Oh! Oliva. CJ Lane puts it on the deck. What a pass inside to Levi Hernandez.
Till now has been quite unstoppable.
Is that a block from CJ
Lane?
Yeah.
And yun naman talaga ang sinabi ni Assistant Coach Dino Ponce Enrile during the interview at the half that he's gonna